It's Chelsea, welcome back to another body paint. Today we're doing Lady Deadpool. Here I'm using a, as usual, a black eyeliner pencil, any brand, any name, and outlining where the black body paint should go, and I'm doing the marks on his arms as well. Next I'm going in with Diamond FX's regular black to fill in the black areas that Deadpool has. Next, I'm going also again with Diamond FX's black and creating a neck collar choker end of this bodysuit basically. Again, using Diamond FX, going in with their red and filling in all the red sections that need to be filled in on my body, such as the chest, my entire arms. I also use the black to create a band around my wrist to symbolize, again, the end of the suit. Next, I'm going in and touching up all the black that may have dried and cracked off, or that simply wasn't opaque enough for my liking. Next I'm going in with liquid latex on a disposable sponge, and I really don't recommend this because this hurt like a little bitch to get off. But I'm stippling it all over my face, and then I'm going in with not a sharp but a pointed edge of anything you can find and ripping holes into my face. Mind you, this is not my real skin. Again, this is why I put down the 2 layers of liquid latex. It emulates skin as it dries clear, and it enables me to rip holes basically in my face with it looking realistic. It was quite fun to do, to be honest. Next, I'm filling in the holes with very, very diluted red body paint, the same one that I used on my chest. I also decided to make one of the holes in my forehead a bullet hole, so I just used black and red body paint and made a dark bullet hole in the middle. So I'm filling it in with blood, and I've obviously smudged around the edges to give it the appearance of bruising. But blood makes everything better. Add as much blood as you want. Next, I'm using a hard stippled brush, and I'm using again the red and black body paint to stipple blood sprays all over my face, typically where the bullet hole landed. I'm also concentrated around there, but I did spread it around the rest of my body, as you know Deadpool would kill some fools and not clean his suit. Here I've already done my eyebrows and a quick black smoky eye, and now I'm going in with a brown body paint by Tag, and I'm shading underneath the collar of my suit. I'm shading my chest. And I also shade above my shoulders, as I will be having my long wig on, so that would create a shadow naturally. I also deepen the crease on my chest, and I add shading to the creases of my elbows. Next, I'm applying red liquid lipstick, as I believe Lady Deadpool would love to be in style and look very stylish and pretty. This liquid lipstick is by BYS in Cherry Red. Anyway, this is my completed Deadpool body paint, and whatever's happening up here, I do have a bullet hole in my head because I don't think Deadpool is Deadpool without having any type of wound. So yeah, this is my completed body paint of Deadpool. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you very, very, very much, and I will see you in my next body paint.